Hi guys. Today we have to learn how much the price is going to go after the correction. We talked to Fibonacci correction in the previous video. We noticed in an upward wave to what extent is it possible to fall. Let's go to the chart to be comfortable. We see an upward wave, but we do not know what percentage of Fibonacci has improved. We connect from floor to ceiling. Let's see how far Fibonacci has improved. It has come down to 61, which is a good sign. Now we want to know after the correction to 61. How much will the price go up? The name of this tool, Fibonacci, is a three-step process. From the beginning the wave, to the end of the wave. And then we put the correction down. We can use both Fibonacci at the same time. We can use both Fibonacci at the same time. We first found out where the price floor is in correction, and then we found out how far the next price wave will go. If it goes up to 1, it shows the strength and health of the trend. You realize that it is not difficult and you learn quickly. Let's go for another example.